What if I told you that one of the most well-known names in crypto just rebranded, added a bunch of new features, and is now offering up to 700 USDT in welcome rewards for new users? Would you want to take a second look? You might have heard of Huobi before? Well, now it's called HTX, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how the platform works, whether it's safe, and how you, as a beginner, can start using it, while claiming some attractive bonuses. And trust me, there's one setup that, if you skip it right after signing up, could cause your funds to be locked right when the market heats up. So we're going to go step by step. So, what exactly is HTX? HTX is the new version of Huobi, one of the oldest crypto exchanges in the world, founded back in 2013. It currently serves over 30 million users globally. But here's where people often get confused. A lot of folks assume that when a platform rebrands, something shady must have happened. That's not always true. In reality, HTX is still operated by the same company, Huobi Global. It holds licenses in multiple regions, including Seychelles, and is expanding regulatory compliance in Latin America and Southeast Asia. However, if you don't set up your account properly, you might still face some risks. That's why I'll guide you through every step clearly, starting now. Step 1. Go to htx.com and register using your email or phone number. Make sure to use your real name and valid government ID, especially if you plan to withdraw funds later. This is particularly important if you're in India, the Philippines, or Nigeria. Incomplete identity verification may result in withdrawal restrictions. Step 2. Immediately enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, either through Google Authenticator or SMS. Why is this so important? In April 2025, there were numerous scams targeting HTX users who didn't activate 2FA. No matter how strong your password is, without this extra layer, your account remains vulnerable. Step 3. Use a referral code during sign-up to unlock bonus rewards. Currently, you can earn up to 700 USDT, depending on your trading volume and verification level. I've included the sign-up link in the video description. Now let's log in and take a look around. The HTX dashboard is clean and user-friendly. If you've used Binance or Bybit before, the layout will feel familiar, but a bit lighter and more minimalistic. You can buy crypto with credit cards or through P2P, which is especially convenient in countries like the Philippines and India. Trade on spot and futures markets with leverage up to 200x. Though for beginners, I recommend sticking to a maximum of 5x to minimize risk. Use copy trading if you're not confident managing your own trades just yet. If you'd like me to create a separate tutorial just on HTX copy trading, let me know in the comments. Now let's talk about trading fees, and a few things you really need to pay attention to. Spot fees on HTX start at 0.20%, but if you use HT tokens to pay, it can go as low as 0.07%. Futures fees are even lower, 0.02% for makers and 0.05% for takers. But here's something most people miss. HTX sometimes runs zero-fee trading promotions, which sound amazing. But spreads often widen during those events. So if you're trading large volumes, always check the order book and slippage first. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the coin. For example, USDT on TRC20 costs around 1 USDT, which is quite competitive compared to Binance or Coinbase. So, is HTX right for you? To be blunt, HTX isn't for everyone. If you live in the US or the UK, you may face access restrictions due to regulations. In that case, you might want to consider other exchanges. But if you're in Asia, Africa, or Latin America, HTX offers some real advantages. Deep liquidity, fast and easy sign-up support for local fiat options, Gcash, PayMaya, UPI, M-Pesa, and more. And if you're a beginner, the low fees and copy trading features can help you ease into trading without making costly mistakes. So, should you try HTX? If you're new to crypto, live outside the US, and want a platform with low fees and full features, then yes, HTX is definitely worth considering. Just make sure to secure your account, start with small trades, and learn by doing. You can use the registration link in the description to claim your sign-up bonus and support the channel at the same time. And remember, no exchange is perfect. Always diversify your funds and never keep all your assets in one place. Have you ever used HTX or Huobi before? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might help someone avoid a costly mistake. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out more of my crypto exchange reviews. See you in the next one.